Hi, Lynette. Lynette's the new president of the Long Island Parrot Society, and today's a very exciting day. What are we here for?
We're here for a lot of things. We're here for some wonderful workshops with Robin Shuokas. We're here to talk to the wonderful avian veterinarians on Long Island. We're here to raise money for the causes that the Long Island Parrot Society supports, and we have some wonderful raffle items.
Very nice. All right.
Yes.
So I look forward to seeing a lot of speakers, and I see even you have a crutch next to you.
Oh yes, yes.
Half foot will travel, huh?
That's right. Accessories are everything.
All right. See you later.
Okay.
Bye-bye. I'm not used to it. Oh, that's a nice shot now. He's looking. All right.
to purchase raffle tickets.